English level 1 Ingrisiga herka kuat. English level 1 Ingrisiga herka kuat. Number 1, I am so tired. At ayan udalanahay. I am so tired. At ayan udalanahay. Number 2, I am confused. Wan jahwarere. I am confused. Wan jahwarere. Number 3, I am happy. Wan faraxsanahay. I am happy. Wan faraxsanahay. Number 4, I am 26 years old. Waxaan ahay 26 sano jir. I am 26 years old. Waxaan ahay 26 sano jir. Number 5, I am hungry. Wan gajonaya. I am hungry. Wan gajonaya. Number 6, I am nervous. Wan walwalsanahay. I am nervous. Wan walwalsanahay. Number 7, I am excited. Wan faraxsanahay. I am excited. Wan faraxsanahay.